friends. Today we are learning about jets. Are you ready? Let's go up into the sky. This is the passenger jet. It carries many people to faraway places. Private jet. It is small, fast and very fancy. This is a fighter jet. It flies super fast and super high. This is a cargo jet. It carries big boxes and packages through the air. This is a stealth jet. It is very quiet and very smooth. This is a supersonic jet. It flies faster than sound. This is a rescue jet. It helps people in emergencies. This is a training jet. Pilots learn how to fly using this jet. This is a business jet. People fly in it for work. This is a stunt jet. It does tricks in the sky. So much fun to watch. We learned 10 types of jets today. Great job, friends. See you next time.
Bye bye. See you next time.